Friends, yesterday very interesting news came related to Sushant Singh Rajput suicide case, and the news is about his girlfriend, Riya Chakrabarti. Sushant's father filed an FIR against her in Bihar police station, and there are some points from that FIR that I got from Twitter. I want to read those points to you. Uh, See, Riya Chakrabarti got three companies registered with Sushant Singh Rajput. Uh, she got 17 crore transferred from SSR's account to herself and her family members, blackmailed him of disclosing his mental illness to media, left him 6 days prior to SSR's suicide with his credit cards and cash. She got herself strategically placed in his life, got him cut from his friends and family, even got his number changed. This so this these are the points that came related to Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide case. His father filed an FIR in a police station at Bihar against his girlfriend. So now few things you need to understand from this. See, we have been told since our childhood all women are goddesses, we should respect all of them. But now in reality it is not like this. All women are not goddesses, all of them don't deserve your respect. Don't respect a girl or a woman just because she is a girl or a woman. Many of them don't deserve it. Many of these women, they are not goddesses anymore. They have become dacoits. They are dacoits in form of women whose motive is just to loot your money or your resources. I already told you in a video that all these women, they are human first, they all have brains, and they all may have motives. Obviously, I'm not blaming all of them. There are still many good women out there, but not all of them are good. And you should understand this. Many of them these days are so greedy, selfish, and over smart. They are just coming in your life to make their ends meet only through you. So you need to beware of them. Whenever a woman approach you, don't get excited immediately. And you should make yourself aware of this reality. See, whenever a woman approach you, don't get excited immediately. Oh, I've got this girl and she's so beautiful. She's talking to me. She wants to be my friend and all that. Don't get so excited so quickly. First wait and watch. Take your time trying to find out. Try to find out why is she acting so lovey-dovey to you. You must give yourself a time to understand this, the real motive of the girl behind showing so much of affection towards you. See, because girls don't always act sweet with you only when they are interested in you. They do it also when they want some favors from you. Uh, so take your time, don't rush things, keep your pants tight, and deal with them with open brain. Try to find out what's actually happening there. And if you find out that she really likes you and has no other wrong motive towards you, then it's okay, go for the next step. But if you find out that she has other motives, maybe she just wants to get some favors done from you, or maybe she wants your money, your resources, get yourself away from her. You need to stay away from such over smart woman who is there with you not because she likes you, but because she wants to use you. And yes, there are so many over smart women out there in the world these days. uh, Again, I'm not blaming all of them. There may be a few girls who are still good, but many of them are like this, like Riya Chakrabarti. And I have heard many cases like this. Their motive is just to loot your money and your peace of mind. You boys, you don't need to deal with such women. Don't go by these movies. Girls are not the sole aim of life. You don't have to ruin your own life for them. You don't have to give up your everything for them. They are not the center of life and they are not automatically innocent also. And okay, you can say that we don't know how much truth in this news because the whole investigation is still to be done. But this is not the one case. I have heard many cases like this where so-called girlfriends was just leeching on boys' money and resources, and this is only what she was there with him for. Uh, See, boys, if you find a girl, a good girl, you become friends, you start having a good time, then you start spending some of your money of yours on her to bring her gifts or to take her on dates or maybe on some trips. That's a different case. There is nothing wrong in that. But if there is some woman who is there just for that only, just to rob your money and to exploit your resources only, then that's a different case altogether. And you boys, you need to protect yourself from such women. I already told you, boys, girls are not your enemy. The enemy is within you. You don't have control on your emotions. You have turned yourself so thirsty that you have closed your eyes. You have lost all your senses. And as soon as a girl starts showing a little interest in you, and starts approaching you and start acting little lovey-dovey to you, you just get so excited that you then forget about everything else then. And when you come in your senses back, you find yourself standing alone, robbed by a woman, got duped in love. You don't understand, boys, how smart these girls have become these days and how good they are in manipulating you. You won't realize it till the end. I'm telling you, you don't realize it till the end. You have to stay alert and beware of such women. Never spend your hard earned money on them. First, get yourself very clear of her motives. And even after that, never show or talk much about your sources of income and how much money you make with them, because their wants can't be fulfilled. uh, the more you give to them, the more money they will want from you. See, you boys, you need to remember this. What you need to do whenever a girl approaches you, don't lose your senses immediately. Keep your pants tight. Take your time. Try to understand her motives first and then act accordingly. You do not need to deal with women who is there just to take your money or peace of mind. You only need to deal with women who has no intentions of causing any kind of harm towards you, who is there just because she really likes you.